For March 2025, Athearn is happy to announce an all-new model, the Athearn HO scale 50-foot flat car with T-28B Trojan airplane. For this first run, we'll be offering a U.S. Army flat car with United States Army aircraft, a U.S. Department of Defense flat car with a United States Air Force aircraft, U.S. Department of Defense flat car with a United States Navy aircraft, a U.S. Department of Defense flat car with a United States Marines aircraft, and an Athearn flat car with a Special Horizon Hobby aircraft. For complete details, please select the link in the video description below. Pre-order the all-new Athearn HO scale flat car with North American T-28B Trojan model through your Athearn dealer by Friday, March 28th.